First of all, gusto kong magpasalamat din sa'yo. Kasi marami akong natutunan sa'yo, sobra. Simula pagka-down ko, inakyat mo ako pataas. Sobrang marami akong natutunan sa'yo and nakita ko yon sa parents mo. Ibibigay ko lahat ng akin sa'yo. Uunahin kita bago ako.
Through this window, everything seems new. The world's not changing, it's just my view. Spent so much time looking for what I thought was right for me, but it's only when
I love you. Call me anytime. You know I'll be available for you 24/7. Can't wait to kiss you. Love. Love you. Okay. Wow, iPhone 5.
it's true.
Oh. Thanks.
And I know it's true. You're the everything I was missing, the perfect part of me that I really need. All I've known is new because I found you. And all the things I thought I knew, everything I thought was true, changed the day my eyes saw you. It's all you. You're the I was missing, the perfect part of me that I really need. All I've known is new because I found you.
Ikaw ang aking mahal, pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman.
Lagi tayo nawawalan ng parking tickets and I want something na laging nasa'yo. Hope magustuhan mo to. Can't wait to see you and marry you. Wala ko na lahat ng parking tickets!
I saw the ocean swallow you. Through the haze, I searched for you, trying to find where I had you. Hard London rain, be color out.
Sa araw na to, hindi lang ako ang pinakamasaya. Hindi lang pangarap ko ang tinupad mo, kundi pangarap ko at ng nanay ko.
If you could feel my fire reach for you, flames draw high out to you, street light shines through my window that trembles for you. Take my heart, there you go. London's wild, but I'm alone. You're so far, but I'm not tired. I'm coming for you.
Kayang ibigay sa'yo ang langit at lupa, pero pangako sa'yo hanggang makarating tayo sa langit. Handa akong panindigan yung pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at pag-unawa na ipinangako natin ngayon.
If you could feel my fire reach for you, flames draw high out to you, street light shines through my window that trembles for you. Take my heart, there you go. London's wild, but I'm alone. You're so far, I'm not tired. I'm coming for you.
Thank you sa pagiging sobrang understanding mo. Madalas mas naiintindihan mo ako. Mahal na mahal kita. Huwag kang mag-alala. Tandaan mo, ako bahala sa'yo. Love you.